Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the closed caption language on the YouTube mobile app for iOS and Android devices. Closed captions or subtitles, very similar concept there, usually used interchangeably. So if you want to go about changing that language, all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right. Select the gear icon in the top right corner. Underneath account, scroll down underneath video and audio preferences, so it's the next category of settings, and select where it says captions. Where it says standard options, language, go ahead and click inside of here. So right now it's set to default. Go ahead and click inside of here one time. If it's all grayed out, you may have to enable use captions in the top right. So go ahead and toggle that to the on position. And then you click inside the language in here, and then you can select whatever language you want, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you want to disable, just toggle to the off spot. Like I said, pretty straightforward. And then when you come back into captions here, you notice that there will be an app language in here. So if you click inside of here, now within the app itself, you can change it too. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.